Common relationship problems and how to handle them. What are the main reasons relationships end or become difficult? There are a few key problems that often cause relationships to end or become hard. These problems are
Indifference. This happens when you or your partner stop caring about each other. It's more than just losing interest. It's when you don't care about what the other person feels or thinks anymore. It's like you're not important to each other.
neglect. This is when you take each other for granted. You might take better care of your car or your dog than your partner. Everything else seems to get more attention than your relationship, leading to feelings of being unimportant and neglected. Violence. This doesn't only mean physical violence, but also includes small acts of aggression, like being constantly disrespectful or mean. You might talk nicer to strangers than to your partner, which can cause a lot of hurt and damage over time.
Contempt. This is the worst one. It's when you look down on your partner and make them feel worthless. It's the feeling that the other person doesn't matter at all.
Another big reason is how we learn about relationships from our parents. The way we saw our parents handle closeness, trust, and conflict often influences how we act in our relationships. If we saw a lot of fighting or coldness at home, we might bring those habits into our own relationships, even if we promised ourselves we wouldn't. S2. How do these problems develop? These issues often start when people stop putting effort into their relationships. At first, when people are dating, they try hard to impress each other. But once they feel secure in the relationship, they might become lazy and think they don't need to try anymore.
What about sex and desire in long-term relationships? Sex and desire in relationships have changed a lot in the last 60 years. Before, sex was mostly for making babies, but now it's also about connection and pleasure. In long-term relationships, keeping desire alive is hard because people often stop trying to be interesting and romantic. Women, especially, can get bored with sex in long-term relationships because it's not exciting or romantic enough. How can we keep desire alive? Desire needs effort and creativity. It's important to keep doing things that make you feel alive and confident. People are most attracted to their partners when they see them in their element, like doing a hobby or a job they love. It's about bringing something new and exciting to the relationship regularly.
What can we do to improve our relationships? Say thank you. Show appreciation for your partner. Don't take them for granted. Give each other space. Everyone needs time to pursue their interests and hobbies. You don't need to do everything together. Admire your partner. Notice and appreciate the good things about your partner. Don't expect one person to meet all your needs. Have a support system of friends and family. Be curious and engaged. Always try to learn and grow together. By focusing on these small but important actions, relationships can become stronger and more fulfilling. Please leave a comment below to let us know what you think about these relationship killers and how to take care of them. Let us know some of your personal experiences and how you handled them. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like our video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to receive more exciting contents from our channel. Until next time, work smart and love hard. And